Hey guys, it's Vicky from theversatilemama.com, and today I wanted to show you a website that I just started using. I've already gotten an email, I've already started some projects that they had, and I've already been paid. I have proof of that. I just wanted to share with you all. So the website is called appen.com, appen.com. You can see it up here. When you go to their main page, you want to go, and a lot of people have problems finding the jobs, so that's what I'm going to show you. You go to Join Us, you click this tab, and then, of course, you can search by your zip code. I personally do not search by zip code. Whenever I searched, I did the ones that said anywhere in the U.S. So you can go to Search Opportunities over here, and they just have a ton. This was one right here that I actually applied for. I applied for that one, and I applied for this one, the social media evaluator. Anyway, basically, I applied for all of the ones that I was able to apply for, basically, because I follow the workathomemom.com, their forum, and that was what a lot of people they were like, hey, just apply for everything you can. So I did. And out of nowhere, I got an email saying, we have a project for you, and, we're going to pay you $50 to do it. And I was like, okay. So all I had to do for this project was talk into my microphone, okay, and say phrases. I had to do 500 phrases. And I'm sorry, that took less than 2 hours. So that was what, $25 an hour? However, I didn't realize that they were based out of Australia, so I got the money in Australian currency, which I believe I saved right here. As you can see, I got these two payments. I did two separate. I say a lot. So I got two separate payments. There are two projects. One of the projects was for me to do, and then they wanted to know if I had any children under the age of 12 who could do the same exact thing that I did. And I was like, yeah, I do. I have a 7-year-old, so I put her to work. And so they wanted her to do a total of 600 phrases. It was two different projects, 300 each. And, she's a 7-year-old. I couldn't get her to do it. So I was like, she was able to do 100, and so they paid us the $18.75 for her just doing 100. So I thought that was really cool. So yeah, let me go back to this. This is something that people from all over the world can do. It's not just based in America. You can be from Italy, Poland, Germany, Sweden, Finland, all these places. They have so many work at home opportunities. They do pay. Um, you know, every now and then I will get a project invitation. If I don't think I can do it, I won't do it. But so far, the only ones I've gotten are just to speak into my microphone, and that's the easiest thing ever because I'm good at that. So anyway, I'm gonna start making these types of videos showing the places that I earn money online to try to help everybody out. I would say with this one, do a resume just to have it upload, because they do ask for a resume. So yeah, I think that's about it. So good luck to everybody. If you're able to get in, let me know. Comment below. Please subscribe. Give me a like. And I'll make another video here soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.